It is a beautiful day today. Look at this. Sunny it is. Look at these sails.
Whoa! G'day guys! Welcome back to Sailing Saluna. Today we're on our way to Whitehaven Beach and we're having beers.
Whitehaven Beach and Hill Inlet is one of the most popular and photographed places in Australia. Hill Inlet is tidal and the sand below is always moving, so it always looks different. There's a sheer contrast in the tones, and this is only enhanced with whether you catch it at high or low tide. But before we start the 4-hour sail, we first need to inspect the damage caused to Saluna last week.
We ran aground yesterday. That's not good. So I'm gonna have to go dive under the hull.
I bet you're wondering how things like this happen. Well, we were at Nara Inlet and I slipped down an oyster stack, cutting my hand open pretty badly, and in a rush to the hospital, I was in so much pain and asked Danny to get me a beer. But that meant no one was able to spot the hidden reef which we were floating towards, so we hit it twice.
Is that big? Means when we sand the hull for airfield, we're gonna have to patch it up.
Because of my injuries, I'm very lucky to be chauffeured around. So I will sit here and relax. I'm on autopilot duties.
Oh, we're going to turn the motor off now and sail.
That's maybe something I could do. That's my favourite part. Stunning, stunning, very stunning. Whitehaven Beach is the place that I went when I came to Australia 2 years ago, and I got on a boat and I went on a little tour. But now I live in the Whitsundays and we can go there on our own boat.
Because we're going to the beach.
I did it. I did it again. Much better. And it is now beer o'clock. Beer o'clock in the morning. How fast are we going? Doesn't feel like we're going very fast today, but you know what? It's actually quite nice. After the last 2 sails that we went on were very, very dramatic. It's quite nice to have a calm day today for once, but don't speak too soon, as we have learned. Most people who go to Australia end up getting on a boat when they go to the Whitsundays, and they go to Whitehaven. We haven't actually made it there, so we thought today we may as well go, because next week we're gonna have to take the boat out of the water because there's a lot of renovations coming up. We've got some very exciting things coming to us. Turn up on our own boat, which is very exciting. Not something I thought I would be doing 2 years ago, but here we are.
Look at that now, we're going to climb that one.
Yeah, that one. Whoa, he's flapping.
Press on.
That's not meant to look like that.
-3.
What do we rate that? I would say a little bit flappy, that one. I fell down the stairs earlier. I was holding my beer in my right injured hand and it got really windy and we tipped over quite a lot and something fell over downstairs. So I thought, oh, what is that? I went downstairs and fell down the stairs. Good morning, it is a new day today and I'm just going to show you where we slept last night.
I didn't really sleep, but it was nice.
No, I didn't actually sleep at all. I think I probably slept for, I'll say, half an hour. And this is Whitehaven Beach. This is where we slept last night. On the deck of our boat, and the stars were filling the sky and it was beautiful, and Dobby over here slept there for a little bit, and then she came and slept with Mom, and that was really cute. And that's where we slept. How sick! Look at the shape of that mattress, how weird is that? I've prepped my toe for swimming because it can't get wet, so it's a bit of electrical tape on that, and hopefully that will keep it dry. What is going on? How has he got up there? Glenn, did you catch this? Look! Is that another one? There's two! What? How have we got two squid on our boat? Oh, he's hard. Glenn! What? Did you catch squid? Is that you? Oh no, you can't eat him. Wow, look at him! How is that just turned up on our boat?
We were sleeping up here too.
You know what? I did hear things jumping out. Oh, I knew there was going to be squid. We should have gone squid fishing. How is there just a squid?
Slow down.
I can see why it's called Whitehaven Beach.
Fun fact for all you trivia players. This was once named the whitest sand in Australia. However,
Not anymore?
not anymore.
How can it change?
Because it's probably too touristy now. It's probably been a bit.
It makes it less white, apparently.
Probably, yeah. All the boats here.
Interesting.
Yeah, I think it's a place in Dufferin.
Come and have a look. How oh, yeah. Oh, actually, did you do that on the hatch? Good job, Glenn. Well done. We're trying to teach her to wee on the boat because even though it's a bit gross, she needs to learn to do it. Well done. Look how stunning this is. I actually haven't been on land for longer than an hour in the last week. This is so weird. I feel like I'm so used to being on the boat. This is just where I belong now. We were hoping to get a mooring, but there's quite a few boats in there already. Stunning. That's Hill Inlet over there. This is Tong Bay, and then you walk over here and you can see the viewpoint of Hill Inlet. So we're thinking we're going to anchor here, or hopefully get a mooring, but unsure. Wow, look at the water, Glenn. This is pretty cool. Okay. Don't think so. Glenn, you're up.
Righto, Hazzy Wazzy.
Ready? Okay.
In you go. Come on, let's go swimming. Let's go. Let's go swimming. Go for a swim. Yeah, good. Yeah.
Wow, good swimming.
This way, come. Good girl, come here. Come here.
Okay. Good job. Oh. That's Hill Inlet up there. Stunning. Over, closer. Oh, it's Ray. Better go closer. Wow, look at him. Look at this place. This is like the Caribbean. Unreal. Stunning. Stunning!
That was a bit silly.
I can't get my foot wet. Look at this! That's good. That's doing a lot. Nice anchoring. Wow, look at this.
All the platypuses, there's lots of them.
I haven't seen any platypuses yet. Been for a swim already in the water, and I don't think it got wet because it didn't sting, so I think we're all good.
As if we drove past you last time on the boat. I didn't even notice it last time we were on the boat when we went over to that island. We literally drove past on the tinny.
We could have stopped here on this.
Gibble gobble, we could have driven in here.
I've realised that since we lived on a boat, I don't walk more than 3 metres a day, which is really bad because this time last year I ran a marathon. So I've had a bit of a steep decline, I would say, on the old fitness. The wild Danny in the forest.
I'm a dugong.
Oh, look how cute we look in our hats. We made it to the top, but for some reason we didn't bring shoes, and now even my bum is burning sitting on this. Stunning.
I want to go see the actual way down there. Good to take your hat off. Take your hat off.
What do you think?
It's cool.
Pretty cool, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, there you go. So I've been a lot of places in Australia, but I've never been here. That's crazy, isn't it? It's wild.
I've been here before Daniel has. Before Dan has. Very hot on my old feet. Yeah.
Where are we?
We are at Hill Inlet today.
For some reason, I was surprised that the sandwich bag and electrical tape didn't keep my toe dry, and when we got back to Saluna, it was greener than this water. So back to land for us.
Having a couple of snackies on our way to the hospital again, and pan around, cameraman. How good is that? That's great.
Thank you for joining us for another week of Sailing Saluna and for watching the whole episode. We really appreciate your support. If you wanted to support us further, especially with our upcoming fix and build of Saluna, please check out our Patreon, and I'll drop the link in the description, or check out our YouTube membership for exclusive perks. We wish you a happy and healthy 2026, and we'll see you next Monday for the next episode.
Danny is going to play us the guitar. Danny is going to try to play the guitar.